Siyempre before naman bumibili ng sasakyan, chine-check natin yung mga features at ano yung, siyempre yung pati yung price point, ano yung within the budget. So yung sa budget namin, so may mga selected few na models, brand. At bakit yung Chery? Kasi yung features niya marami. Kumbaga fully loaded siya kumpara dun sa iba na typical na mga Japanese brands na meron tayo. Pinaka talaga nagustuhan namin, siyempre sa mga features niya, marami naman. Hindi man na-meet lahat ng expectations namin, but siya yung pinakamaraming na-tick doon sa mga expectations namin sa isang sasakyan. Masasabi mo sa driving niya?
Favorite ko yung alcohol. Wala yan sa iba eh. Sa pertaining to price level ha. Kung bibili ka ng ganitong brand, tapos compared to Chery, wala silang cruise control, wala silang alcohol, which is very important kapag nag-drive ka. Patunayan ko na siya na very efficient siya sa fuel kapag ginagamit mo yung cruise control.
Last visit ko was about 2 weeks ago. Dinala ko lang ulit yung car for the typical check-up and follow-up din ng mga previous concerns ng sasakyan. After sales, maganda. It's always been a pleasure visiting yung Quezon branch. Maganda yung after sales. So, yung mga concerns, though hindi man re-resolve immediately o during the visit, but yung assurance na nabibigay naman nila that will rectify yung mga issues and concerns. Parang nandun, hindi ka yung parang kinakabahan, hindi magagawa yung sasakyan mo kung meron man. Maganda yung support na binibigay. Tanong ka, may re-reply sa'yo in a day or at least nabibigyan ka ng update. So maganda yung the way they handled the customers. Every time na pupunta ka doon, ang feeling mo, the after sales parang doon pa rin sa bibili ka ng sasakyan on how they accommodate customers doon sa branch. So far, we had a very good experience with the car. I feel na supportive yung branch and Chery with the car, and they are very true to their statement of pag-support dahil dun sa kanilang warranty. I'm Ariel.
I'm Rita.
And we're proud owners of Chery Kigo 7 Pro.